Ladies and gentlemen, I am today going to offer you a full review of Polarsteps. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about it. I'm going to discuss some of the benefits as well as some of the drawbacks, and I'm going to show you some of their hidden features. So without further ado, let us actually jump into this review. Right, so having a look at Polarsteps, I've been using it for a little while now, and I think it's pretty feature rich. I mean, if you go and you have a look at, like right now, I've got a current travel itinerary, I've got a current trip, and then I've got a trip that I've planned for the future. So you can actually also do one of a trips that you've done in the past. So you can add a trip that's already been gone through. I think that's pretty cool. Also, if you go into the guides section over here, you can actually go ahead and find things that are in your area, so you can see all of these wonderful things that I can do in my area. So it's taking my location and it's giving me suggestions. You can also see that it's got a what's new section over here, which is just out of my area. Then if you go over to the explore page, I think the explore page is quite cool, because the explore page, you can really sort of find out what people are doing, and this is all by users. So you can see that there's tons of awesome things. There's also different collections. So there's slow travel, there's Polarsteps teleporters, travel together. It's obviously for couples. And then the collections down over here, those are just some of them. You can see that there are tons right over here. Then also, there are actual people on trips, so that you can actually see who they are and you can actually follow them. So for example, if you're going to go, let's say, for example, into one of these collections, I'm going to go into this one here, and you can actually see, like, for example, this one over here. And you can actually see their trip. You can see like how much they've moved around. You can actually go through their steps at the bottom over here. You can see at the bottom all the details. And as you move this timeline, you can actually see where they're going. That's actually pretty awesome. They've taken photographs, so if you go in, let's just go into this one here. So there's 22 likes, there's 5 comments, there's 11 photographs in there. And if you go in there, you'll actually see, like, here are the photographs. This is actually beautiful. This is really awesome. That's really great. So you can see that there are photographs. You can see that there is a whole description. And then as you go down here, you can actually see the comments section, and then you can also obviously add in a comment over there. So it's a very interactive app. You can do quite a lot with all the different features. You can even go, even if you go over to the me section, you can go into your settings, and you can change a bunch of your settings over here, such as your units, your temperature, map style. And then if you go right to the top, there's actually called a travel book. So a travel book is fantastic. Basically, you can literally create a book of your trip. Okay, so you can name it whatever you want. You can add the photographs in there. You can actually physically design a travel book of your trip, and then you can actually have your book published, like a physical copy of your book. Okay, so you can see obviously this is going to cost money, but this is a fantastic thing that you can do. So it's literally one of your trips with all your photographs, and you can make like an actual book. And I mean, if you really wanted to, you could turn this into a business and make travel books. I think it's a fantastic feature. So, you can really go into detail there. And then you can also, you can create a gift card as well, like a travel book gift card, which is also a fantastic feature. And then you can jump into their store. They've got tons of accessories. They've got some clothing and stuff. So that's really awesome. Now, as you can see, Polarsteps is fantastic. It has tons of awesome features. And if you are a frequent traveler, it really is amazing. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like. We'll see you next time.